to decide which social media platforms to use for your business. Social media has revolutionized the way businesses communicate with their customers. By leveraging these platforms, businesses can increase brand awareness, engage with their audience, and drive sales. However, with so many social media platforms available, deciding which ones are the most effective for your business can take time and effort. My name is Blessing, and in this video guide, we will explore the key factors to consider when deciding which social media platforms to use for your business. Step 1. Understand your target audience. The first step in deciding which social media platforms to use for your business is understanding your target audience. Different social media platforms attract different demographics, so choosing platforms where your audience is active is essential. For example, if your target audience is primarily young adults, platforms like TikTok and Instagram would be more effective than Facebook or LinkedIn. On the other hand, if your target audience is professionals, then LinkedIn will be the most effective platform for your business. To determine your target audience, consider age, gender, location, interest, and behavior. You can use social media analytics tools like Facebook Insights or Google Analytics to gather this information. Step 2. Evaluate platform demographics. Once you clearly understand your target audience, you can evaluate the demographics of different social media platforms to determine which ones are the best fits for your business. Here's a breakdown of the demographics of some of the most popular social media platforms. Facebook has the most extensive social media platform user base, with over 2.7 billion monthly active users. The platform is popular among a wide range of age groups, with 69% of adults in the United States using Facebook. Facebook is also popular among men and women, making it a good choice for businesses with diverse target audience. Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users, with most under 37. The platform is popular among women, with 43% of women using Instagram compared to 31% of men. Twitter has 330 million monthly active users and is popular among younger adults. The platform is more popular among men than women, with 24% of men using Twitter compared to 21% of women. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform with over 240 million users. The platform is more popular among professionals, with 29% of men using LinkedIn compared to 24% of women. TikTok has grown in popularity with over 1 billion monthly active users. The platform is most popular among younger users, with 62% of TikTok users between the ages of 10 and 29. By understanding the demographics of different social media platforms, you can determine which platforms are the most effective for reaching your target audience. Step 3. Consider your content strategy. Another critical factor to consider when deciding which social media platform to use for your business is your content strategy. Different platforms are better suited for different types of content, so it's important to choose platforms where your content will perform well. For example, if your content is primarily visual, then platforms like Instagram and Pinterest will be more effective than Twitter or LinkedIn. On the other hand, if your content is predominantly text-based, then platforms like Twitter or LinkedIn will be a better fit. Additionally, consider the format of your content. Some platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels focus on short-form content videos, while others like LinkedIn and Twitter focus on text-based content. By choosing platforms that align with your content strategy, you can maximize the effectiveness of your social media marketing efforts. Step 4. Assess your resources. When deciding which social media platforms to use for your business, it's essential to consider the resources available to you. Different social media platforms require different resources, including time, budget, and expertise. For example, platforms like TikTok and Instagram require more time and resources to create high-quality visual content. Conversely, platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn require less time and resources to create text-based content. Assessing your available resources and choosing platforms that align with your budget and capabilities is vital. However, it's better to focus on a new platforms and do them well rather than spreading yourself too thin and needing help managing all of them effectively. Step 5. Analyze your competitors. Finally, it's essential to analyze your competitors and determine which social media platform they are using. By using your competitors' social media presence, you can identify potential gaps in your strategy and decide which platforms are most effective for your industry. Additionally, you can use social media analytics tools to monitor your competitors' social media performance and identify which platforms are driving the most engagement and conversations for them. By analyzing your competitors' social media presence, you can stay ahead of the curve and ensure your social media strategy is competitive and effective. Thank you for watching and learning how to decide which social media platforms to use for your business. Remember, it's essential to consider your target audience, platform demographics, content strategies, resources, and competitors when deciding. Focus on platforms where your audience is active, align with your content strategy, and where you can effectively allocate your resources. Doing so can create a social media strategy that engages with your audience, increases your brand awareness, and drives sales for your business. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights. Bye for now.